好收听。我给你做一个 3, 2, 1。OK，Jason Mraz 嘅 I'm Yours 自己也唱一下啊。
自己也唱一下。
Try to beat you, but you're so hard that I melted. I fell right through the cracks, and so I'm trying to get back. Before the cooldown run out, I'll be giving it my best, and nothing gonna stop me but divine intervention. I reckon it's a game I turn to win some or learn some, but I won't hesitate. No more, no more, it cannot wait. I'm yours. Open up your mind and see like me. Well, open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you find love, 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 love. Listen to the we just one big family. It's our God-forsaken right to be a love, 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 love. So I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm yours. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is short. This is our fate. I'm yours. I've been spending way too long checking my tongue in a mirror and bending over backwards just to try to see it clearer, but my breath fogged out the glass. So I drew a new face and laughed. I guess what I've been singing is no better reason to read yourself of vanity. Just go in the season is what we aim to do. Our name is our virtue, but I won't hesitate no more, no more. It cannot wait. I'm sure. Open up your mind and see like me. Open up your plans and then you're free. Look into your heart and you find the sky is yours. So please don't, please don't, please don't. There's no need to complicate, 'cause our time is yours. This is our fate. I'm yours. Thank you.